Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to write a text on a picture in Microsoft Word. First I'm gonna open a blank document. I've opened, click on insert and insert a picture. I've inserted a picture. Right click on this, wrap text and bind text. Click on this. Now insert a text. Click on insert and click on text box and insert text. Text we have inserted. Write something here. Click on home. We can change the font size. We can change the color. Now click on box, shape fill, no fill for background color. Shape outline, no outline to remove the border. Thanks for watching this tutorial.